Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can clone your Instagram in your OnePlus mobile phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe down, go to settings, and friends here it is the apps. Click on apps, click on app cloner. Here it is Facebook, here it is Instagram is showing. Click on Insta and create app clone. Here you have to enable this and it is added to your screen. Friends, you can see it is showing Instagram 1 and this is Instagram cloned version. You can see you can make the second account on it and you can run on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.